Hello everybody, in today's tutorial we want to find tan x. Solution: sin x plus cos x equal to root 2 over 2. So the first thing we have to do is to square both sides. So sin x plus cos x close bracket raised to power 2 equal to root 2 over 2 into bracket raised to power 2. So let us find sin x plus cos x, everything raised to power 2. Sin x plus cos x raised to power 2 is equal to sin x plus cos x close bracket open bracket sin x plus cos x close bracket. So let us open the bracket by multiplying it one after the other. Sin x multiplied by sin x, we are going to have sin square x. Sin x multiplied by cos x, we are going to have plus sin x cos x. Cos x multiplied by sin x, we are going to have plus sin x cos x. Cos x multiplied by cos x, we are going to have plus cos square x. Here we have sin square x, here we have cos square x. So you can say sin square x plus cos square x. Here we have sin x cos x plus sin x cos x. If you add it together, we are going to have plus 2 sin x cos x. But sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So in place of sin square x plus cos square x, let us put 1 there. So we are going to have 1 plus 2 sin x cos x. So let us replace this with this now. So 1 plus 2 sin x cos x equal to, let us expand root 2 over 2 raised to power 2. Root 2 over 2 raised to power 2 is equal to root 2 over 2 multiplied by root 2 over 2. Root 2 multiplied by root 2 will give us 2. 2 multiplied by 2 will give us 4. 2 here 1, 2 here 2, which is equal to 1 over 2. So we have 1 over 2. So the next thing we have to do, let us transpose 1 to the right hand side, and the positive sign of 1 will change to negative. So we are going to have 2 sin x cos x equal to 1 over 2 minus 1. 1 all over 2 minus 1. 1 is the same thing as 1 over 1. The LCM is 2. 2 in 2 will give us 1. Times 1, we have 1. Minus 1 in 2 will give us 2. Times 1, we have 2. Which is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1 over 2. So this is minus 1 over 2. 2 sine x cos x equal to minus 1 over 2. So the next thing we have to do, let us divide both sides of the equation by 2. So this one will be over 2. This one is divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. So we have sine x cos x equal to, let us simplify this further, minus 1 over 2 divided by 2 is the same thing as minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, which is going to give us minus 1 times minus 1, we have minus 1. 2 multiplied by 2 give us 4 over 4. So here we have minus 1 over 4. But I want you to note that sine x cos x is equal to tan x over 1 plus tan square x. In place of sine x cos x, let us substitute tan x over 1 plus tan square x. So tan x over 1 plus tan square x equal to minus 1 over 4. Let tan x equal to t. So wherever we have tan, let us put t there. The equation will become t over 1 plus t square equal to minus 1 over 4. So let us cross multiply. We now have 4t equal to minus 1 bracket 1 plus t square close bracket. 4t equal to minus 1 times 1, we have minus 1. Minus 1 times plus t square, we have minus t square. Now let us bring minus 1 and minus t square to the left hand side, and these negative signs will change to positive sign. So we are going to have t square plus 4t plus 1 equal to 0. I want you to recall the standard form of quadratic equation, which is a t square plus bt plus c equal to 0. If you compare this equation with this equation, here the coefficient of t square is 1. So our a is 1. A equal to 1. Here the coefficient of t is 4. So our b is 4. B equal to 4. And here our c is 1. So c equal to 1. Now I want you to recall the quadratic formula, which is t equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Let us substitute our values into this equation. T equal to minus 4 plus or minus root 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by 1. T equal to minus 4 plus or minus root 4 square is 16 minus 4 times 1 will give us minus 4 minus 4 all over 2 multiplied by 1 will give us 2. So T equal to minus 4 plus or minus root 16 minus 4 will give us 12 over 2. Root 12 can be written as 2 root 3. So the equation will reduce to T equal to minus 4 plus or minus 2 root 3 over 2. From the numerator, we can factor 2 out. So we are going to have T equal to 2 bracket minus 2 plus or minus root 3 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. So T equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 3. But recall that T equal to tan x. So we can say tan x equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 3. So we can say tan x equal to minus 2 plus the first positive sign root 3, or tan x equal to minus 2 minus root 3. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you.